Good evening, friends. I am Engineer Imran Aziz. I am today presenting you 25 MCQs for your next exam. Today's topic is building and town planning. In this series, we bring you 25 multiple choice questions. This is the part third of this series. And purpose of presenting these questions is to help the engineers like you prepare for the competitive exams, your interviews or university tests and we will be highlighting the correct questions answers so that you could effectively review them at later stage. So let's get started with today's topic. It's part 3. So question number 51 for today is arrangement of various components in a significant way is known as dash. Option A is town planning, number B building planning, C landscape planning, D none of the above. So arrangement of various components in a significant way is known as a town planning. Town planning is the arrangement of various components in a proper manner. Question 52. Aristotle said a city should be built to give its inhabitants dash. Number A security, number B happiness, number C security and happiness, number D none of the above. So Aristotle said a city should be built to give its inhabitants security as well as happiness. So option C is correct for this question. The main purpose of the town planning or developing a city is to provide security as well as happiness and wellness to the society or the inhabitants of that city. Question 53. Town planning needs both art as well as science. Is it true or false? Yes, it is true. There are various aspects of town planning which deals with the art as well as various aspects are dealt with the science. So it's a combination of both art as well as science. Therefore, this option A is correct, which is true. Question 54. In short, in short, town or city means place of dash. Number A, urban living, B, rural living, village living, none of the above. In short, town or city means place of urban living. So it's a place of urban living. Question 55. In an urban setting, more than dash people engaged in non-agricultural activities. So in city, maximum people are engaged in non-agricultural activity. Therefore, that area is called non-agricultural area or the urban area. Option A is 65%, B is 75%, C is 85%, D none of the above. Option B is correct for this question, which is 75%. So 75% of the people living in a town or city are not associated with the agricultural activities. 56. An urban unit has more than dash population. An urban unit has more than dash population. Option A is 5,000 inhabitants, B is 6,000, C 7,000, D 8,000. So it's not fixed for each and every place or city, but it is an average of various cities of the world. However, definition vary country to country, with some using lower minimum like 2,000 even, while the other required larger populations, more than 10,000, even more than 25,000 in case of Japan. Turkey, Iran, they are using 2,000, sorry, 5,000. So there are cities in the world which are even taking 20,000 or 25,000 as their average population for a town. that includes various towns in Japan. You can refer to the material. So the average of the population is 5,000 in an urban unit. Option A is correct for this question. Question 57. Objective of town planning is a dash. Number A, health, convenience. B, convenience and beauty. C, beauty and environment. D, health, convenience, beauty and environment. So all these factors are considered during town planning. Therefore, option D is correct, which is health, convenience, beauty as well as environment. Option D is correct for this question. Then we have question 58. Green belt is provided on the periphery of the town. Green belt is provided on the periphery of the town. Is it true or false? Yes, it is true. And the purpose of providing green belt at the boundary of the town is just to limit the spreading of the town in an unplanned manner, or beyond the boundary of the town. So designers or town planners normally provide a green belt, a green strip, an open strip at the boundary of the town, so that people could not extend constructions beyond that boundary line. Then we have question number 59. A city should be divided into suitable zones such as number A, recreation zone, industrial zone and recreation zone, commercial zone. Number D, residential zone, commercial zone, industrial zone and recreation zone. So yes, option D is correct, which is residential zone, commercial zone, industrial zone and recreation zone. Option D is correct for this question. A city should be divided into various zones, such as parks, commercial markets, industries or factories, as well as recreational places like zoo and others, uh, and residences or houses of the inhabitants. Question number 60. The Great Bath of Harappa civilization has been found at number A, Mohenjo-daro, B, Harappa, Rangpur, or Kalibangan. So option A is correct, which is Mohenjo-daro, located in Sindh, Pakistan. The Great Bath of Harappa civilization has been found in Mohenjo-daro. Option A is correct for this question. Question 61. What led to the end of Indus Valley civilization? What led to the end of Indus Valley civilization? Number A, invasion of Aryans. Number B, recurrent floods. Number C, earthquakes. Number D, all of the above. So all factors are included in the answers, like the arrival of the Aryans in the region, the floods, as well as earthquake has led to the end of Indus Valley civilization. Option D is correct, which is all of the above. Then we have 62. Mohenjo-daro was divided into dash blocks. So if some of you have witnessed or visited the town of Mohenjo-daro, this is one of the pictures available in the literature. For the Mohenjo-daro, it is located in district Ladkana, Sindh, Pakistan. I visited personally several times this town, and there were 12 blocks at that time, at the time of Indus Valley civilizations. So option C is correct for this question, which is 12. It was divided into 12 different blocks. Then we have question 63. The master plan of Chandigarh was prepared by number A, Maxwell Fry, number B, Albert, number C, Le Corbusier, number C, McJ Nowicki. So Le Corbusier is the master planner of Chandigarh town. Option C is correct for this question. So the master plan of New Delhi was prepared by number A, Edwin, number C, Le Corbusier, number C, Nowacki, number D, Maxwell Fry. So option A is correct, which is Edwin. Option A is correct for this question. Number 65, the town of Chandigarh is divided into dash sectors. How many sectors are there in the town of Chandigarh? Option A is 44, 45, option C 46, option D 47. Yes, 47 is the correct answer. Chandigarh was divided into 47 different sectors. Question 66. The master plan of Gandhinagar was finalized and approved in dash. The construction of that town was started in dash. Option A 1966 and 1967. Option B 1967 and 1968. Option C 1969, 1970. Option D is 1970 and 1971. So the master plan of Gandhinagar was finalized and approved in 1966, while its construction was started in 1967, 1 year after the approval of the master plan. Then we have question 67. Types of growth of town according to dash. So how many types of growth are considered in the town planning? Number A, origin. Number B, direction. Number C, origin and direction. Number D, none of the above. So the growth is determined with origin as well as direction. So option C is correct for this question. Question 68. In town concentric spread growth dash. Number A, development around the town. Number B, development around the center, development in the center, development of periphery of the town. So concentric spread growth in a town is basically development around the town, like the slums as well as the adjacent developed area. So option A is correct for this question. Then we have question number 69. Which type of survey in functional of the town? So which type of survey is considered in the town? Number A, traffic survey. Number B, railway survey. Number C, airports. Number D, all of the above. So all these facilities are always needed in a town. So we do all type of surveys, like we do traffic surveys, railways, as well as airports. So option D is correct for this question, which is all of the above. Question 70. The social aspect of a town life are studied under dash. The social aspects of a town life are studied under dash. Number A, birth rate and death rate. Number B, schools. Number C, hospitals. Number D, all of the above. So yes, all these social aspects are studied under the town life. Birth rates are seen, death rates, schools, as well as hospitals. So option D is correct, which is all of the above. Question 71. A study of national survey dash is carried out. A study of national survey dash is carried out. Number A, resources, potentialities, all of the above, none of the above, all of the above. So resources as well as potentialities of an area or town are studied under the national survey. Question 72. The main object of preliminary survey is to decide approximately the boundary of the area to be planned. So initial survey or the preliminary survey is just to measure or decide the boundary line of a town. Is it true or false? Yes, it is true. So initially only we see the or demarcate the boundaries of a new town, which is going to be developed at later stages. So option A is correct, which is true. Question 73. Vital survey dash aspects are studied under this survey. Which aspects are studied under the vital survey? Number A, population aspect of that town, topography, birth rate, all of the above. So population is a main key aspect which is studied under the vital survey. Question 74. Dash type of survey is conducted at local level for redevelopment scheme and slum improvement scheme. Which type of survey is conducted? One at local level, and the purpose is to redevelop the town or redevelopment scheme, and to propose the slum improvement scheme. So it will be number A, civic survey or socio-economic survey. Number B, regional survey. Number C, national survey, preliminary survey. So the economy or the socio-economic condition of the area is studied under the civic survey, and that type of survey is conducted locally. And and because we want to plan some redevelopment scheme in that area, or we want to improve the conditions of the slums, so we do civic survey or socio-economic survey in that area. Then last question for today, 75. Method adopted to collect data in civic survey is number A, fieldwork, number B, house to house investigation, C, direct collection from office data, D, all of the above. So all these are the tools which are used to collect the data during civic survey. We also do field work, we do household survey, we do direct data collection from the various offices. So all of the above is correct, which is option D. So thank you for watching. You have completed part 3 of building and town planning MCQ series. These were fully solved MCQs, and these were shared just to prepare yourself for the exam. Our videos are perfect for professional engineers and people who are preparing for the Public Service Commission exams or the JE or RB exam. Please subscribe to this channel, which is CivTech Simplified, for our upcoming videos. Press the bell icon so that you could get the first video at the earliest time. And please follow us on Facebook, Instagram, as well as TikTok. So thank you very much. This is the link for the YouTube as well as TikTok. You can follow through this link. Thank you and see you in the next video. Bye.